Hey folks, I start a new playlist with basic Blender tutorials. Between my game project, I plan to drop more tutorials. I use as content ideas what's on my mind, what I need for the spaceship, or you can write down below in the comment section. You see I like the snapping tool. I create a box for the beginning. I mean it's simple and we can use the box maybe later for other cool stuff like texturing or otherwise transform. Start with the mirror modifier and kick the faces in the middle of that object. Then I subdivide that we have something like a border, maybe 2 centimeter. Should be enough. The same on the other side. And now we can extrude the face in the middle. And here you can see the difference between check the clipping option and not check the clipping option. Then we can extrude this face down to maybe this point, 2 centimeter also. And now let's make some features in that object. You know that the mesh isn't so easily. Maybe that we are on the same position here and then extrude the outside faces a few times that we can extrude later some faces. That is not too easy. Okay, something like that. And now we can jump to the solid mode and select some faces and extrude the faces out. And the first lesson is don't tinker stuff without a plan. Okay, let's use these faces here and extrude the faces a little bit outside, something like 3 centimeter. And the same of course on the other side too, something like that. Maybe we should use a second subdivision that we used earlier. But no, I don't think that we should do that. Let's use the bottom face also. Something like that. Extrude, also 3 centimeter. And I think we are done. Let's extrude the faces on the button as last step. And yeah, thanks so much for watching and see you next time.